Alright, here's the Insta360 X3. Check out what's in the box. Looks like the camera itself. QR code to download the app on another box. Got charging cable. Also have a protective sleeve. And just a couple other things. Alright, so you're going to have to go through and click allow. You'll probably want to start with updating the firmware, just so you don't run into any bugs later on. Okay, here it is. I got it attached to a selfie stick. Go ahead and click it on. Clicks right on. We can go to our settings here. There's plenty of videos talking about how to use these, and all the different settings in them. So I think I'll just try to get some cool shots and put them in at the end of the video so you can get some ideas for what's possible. Alright, thanks for watching. I appreciate it.